Hi guys, welcome to Motivated Guy Journey. Today, we're going to talk about the basics of investing and how you can start building wealth even if you're a beginner. Investment is a crucial step towards building your wealth. But many people find it daunting, confusing, and overwhelming. Fear not. In this video, we will break down the basics of investing to help you get started. In today's video we will discuss on following topics. What is investing? Types of investments. Risk versus reward. How to start investing. And tips for success. Let's start with the basics. What is investing? Investing is the process of using your money to buy assets that will increase in value over time, with the aim of generating a profit. It's important to understand the different types of investments and the level of risk associated with each one. Fact: did you know that investing as little as $50 a month can turn into $50,000 in 30 years, assuming an average return of 7%? What are the different types of investments? There are many types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and commodities. Each type of investment has its own set of risks and rewards. Investing in real estate has generated an average annual return of 9.5% over the past 25 years. How do you balance risk and reward when investing? It's important to remember that the potential for reward is directly proportional to the level of risk. Generally speaking, investments with higher potential rewards come with higher risks. It's important to find a balance that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Benjamin Franklin said an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. How do you get started with investing? The first step is to educate yourself on the different types of investments and their associated risks and rewards. You also need to determine your financial goals and risk tolerance. From there, you can open an investment account and start investing. Don't worry, we will guide you about all investment types and their risks in future videos. So if you don't subscribe our channel, hurry and click on subscribe button. Now coming to last topic of our video, what are tips for success when it comes to investing? Start early, diversify your investments, and stay disciplined. Don't let your emotions dictate your investment decisions, and always stay focused on your long-term goals. Always remember these tips: start early and be patient. Diversify your portfolio. Keep your emotions in check. Stay disciplined and consistent. Learn from your mistakes. Conclusion: that's all for today's video. We hope this beginner's guide to investing has been helpful. Remember, building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy for building wealth. Remember, the key is to start early, stay disciplined, and be patient. Keep investing and stay motivated. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss on different types of investments and their risk factors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Motivated Guy Journey for more inspiring and educational content.